Mike show. We will be pulling this carburetor on this John Deere 317. So we're gonna pull a carb. I've got to get it pretty clean in here. I've already pulled the battery pan to get access to the starter solenoid. And we're gonna pull carb and we're gonna check the fuel pump right here. So there's the fuel pump. We're gonna suck all the old bad gas out of this guy and see if we can get it run today. We've test compression on this machine. The compression was 105 on each side. So that's very good compression. That's a very good sign. Let's get to work. We gotta throw the battery in it. Get the carburetor all cleaned out. Woo! So we're gonna throw the battery, set it kind of up here on some stuff, hook it up, because we're gonna crank it a few times just to see if we can get some fuel to come out of the fuel line here. See if this little fuel pump right down here is working. We're gonna try to get all the old fuel out of this machine, put some fresh stuff in, and crank it over and see what happens. Woo, woo, fuel pump works. That is awesome. I'm gonna suck most of the gas out of the gas tank with my shop vac. I don't know if this will... Perfect. gonna do it for the carburetor clean on the 317. I need to look up the set screw adjustments. I will have that in part 2 of the John Deere 317. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Flippin' Mike. Remember, have your pets spayed and neutered. Till the next video, see ya on the next one.